In this paste email review, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about this app. If you have any questions, please comment them below, and I'll also leave a discounted link so you can always get your money's worth for paste email. Paste email lets you bundle emails into a single digest to declutter your inbox. Once you log into paste email, you come over to the dashboard. As we can see, we've got this getting started page, and it tells us exactly how to create our first paste email. So there's a few different ways. The first one is manually. Create a custom alias via your dashboard or one of the browser add-ons. We have randomly, where you can make a totally anonymous email by clicking add alias at the top of the page. And then we've also got on the fly, where we can send email to your account using our easy to remember format. So first I'm going to go on create one now. Here is where we can create an alias email. So we can set our username, an inbox alias, which is optional, the periodicity, so daily, weekly, monthly, the domain, paste email. We also have recipients, where it's just my email that's there at the moment, but if you had multiple teammates, you could go ahead and click on invite teammates. You can also add additional recipients and just separate them by commas. We then have delivery options, where we can choose the digest email delivery format you would prefer, so full or summary. We can add an optional signature, and we can also add a note about the alias. There's also additional options such as bypass first message and pause digest. So I'm going to go ahead and save. So we can also schedule the digest. So it's set for 12 AM. You could change this if you want, or you could also pause the digest. If we go over to digests, we can see at the moment we've got emails processed 0, digest sent 0, and our digest recipients, we've just got myself. So if we go ahead and go over to inboxes, as we can see here, we've got our active and our deleted. So again, we've got the emails process and the digest sent and the average emails or digests. This will work as sort of a summary of your emails. As you can see, we've got it set to all. You can also set it to daily, weekly, monthly, or pending, as well as sorting your emails by the alias, periodicity, pending, paused, created at, and updated at. We also have the option at the top to generate a burner, so we can create a random alias for daily paste emails, weekly paste emails, or monthly paste emails. So if we wanted to create one for the weekly paste emails, we could click on there, and that just takes us over to the scheduling settings. We also have a username section. Here you can add extra usernames to customize your aliases. And if you obviously had quite a few different usernames here, you could search in here. We've obviously just got the one, so that will show up there. You can also sort them via the username or when they're created at. Under usernames, we have domains. So here on domains, we can add and verify ownership of your personal domain names to use them along with the paste email. These would show up here. You can also search for them, or they will show up here. We have the all section, connected, and invalid DNS. Again, you can sort them by hostname, DNS status, or created at. Below domains, we also have updates, which will show any updates for the sites, and also help. And that's pretty much everything. So what did I think of Paste Email? Paste Email was a fantastic application for sorting your emails into a single digest. I wish I could have shown more of an example, but I just didn't have enough emails coming in. I also really like how you can set aliases for daily, weekly, or monthly emails. I did have some small issues changing the scheduling. I couldn't seem to change it from 12 AM. However, overall, I think Paste Email is a fantastic application, and I would definitely recommend. Thanks very much, and I'll see you next time.